Transuranic waste is waste that has a certain concentration of elements that are higher in the periodic table than uranium.
At TWPC, we have 3 unique waste streams that they have to process, in which we've had to come up with 3 innovative technologies in order to process the waste. We have macro-encapsulated waste that was packaged for disposal. Some of that waste is now transuranic and has to be removed, so we have to go in and remove it after it's been packaged. Each drum is to be considered potentially pressurized with hydrogen gas. That causes us to do a remote operation of punching each drum.
We had to maintain the non-sparking characteristics of the original design, so the punch head is made out of a aluminum bronze material, and this is a material that is both high strength and a non-sparking material.
Secondly, we have the tank W1A soils that have to be processed. These soils are highly radioactive, have a high dose rate, and have to be processed remotely. So we have a remote excavation system that is computer operated with several cameras so that we can remove that soil without exposing individuals to high doses of radiation. And then thirdly, we have highly radioactive metals that are subject to being reactive or pyrophoric. Those metals have to be processed in a very unique, special, inert glove box.
We transfer the material into a ceramic liner, which is then placed inside a furnace vessel, which is ultimately then sealed and transferred to the airflow glove box, where we place it in a furnace. We then transition from ambient temperature to 600 degrees Celsius. The controlled oxidation process has rendered the material inert and able to be transferred to the burial site for disposal.
The long-term goal here is to get all the legacy waste that's been stored for years shipped out and put in a safe repository for long-term storage.
There is only one facility in the United States which is permitted to dispose of this waste, and it's at the Waste Isolation Pilot Plant in salt domes about 2,000 feet underground.